Hello, all. I'm Shivani. Here's a quick revision of the poem, A Thing of Beauty. I've discussed the main points from each stanza that'll help you to answer the questions related to that stanza. Now, please remember the name of the poet. It's John Keats. Theme of the poem. Keats says that anything that is beautiful is a source of everlasting joy. Beauty is never lost with time, but keeps on increasing. It never fades away. Whenever we think of a beautiful thing, it gives us constant happiness and pleasure. It provides relief from pain and sorrow and binds us to the earth. Now, this is from the first stanza, the theme. Now, name the things that are responsible for sorrow and unhappiness for the mankind. Now, this is from the second stanza. Now, what are the things? They are despondence. Despondence means hopelessness. Then, lack of noble nature or human qualities like kindness, generosity, compassion, etc. Lack of these, that is, when these qualities are absent, then people become hateful, jealous, and inhuman. Just remember these words, you'll be able to answer the question. Gloomy days. The next thing is gloomy days, when life is full of sadness, depression, misery, etc. Unhealthy and overdarkened ways. It means when people resort to wrong things like dishonesty and unfair means to achieve their goals. So people become dishonest, unfair, and they lose their goodness to achieve success in life. That means unhealthy and overdarkened ways. Now explain, therefore, on every morrow we are wreathing a flowery band to bind us to earth, to the earth. Now, what is the meaning of this line? Poet says, even after going through all the unhappiness, gloom, suffering, and despair, is the beautiful things around us that connect or bind us to the earth like a flowery band and give us the energy and enthusiasm to live our lives. So there are beautiful, although we go through all that unhappiness, but the beautiful things that are around us that bind us to the earth and give us that enthusiasm to live our life. Otherwise, we would have become so unhappy that we wouldn't like to live our life, go through our life. List the beautiful things that the poet has described in the poem. Keats says nature is a treasure trove of beauty. Now, what's the meaning of treasure trove? Store of precious things, store of or collection of valuable things. God has provided us, God has given us beautiful things. Some of the beautiful objects of nature that the poet has described are the sun, the moon, the old and the young trees that make a shady place for the simple sheep. Then he talks about the daffodils amidst the green forest, the clear rills or the clear streams. Rills means streams with clear water flowing in them. They give relief against the hot summer by providing a cool shelter. Musk roses bloom in the middle of the forest, the beautiful musk roses. These are flowers that bloom in the middle of the forest and form a sort of break in the forest. The lovely stories of the great, brave men who have died for some noble cause are a source of pleasure for the mankind. So when we listen to those beautiful stories, we feel happy that how such men who existed have given their lives for mankind. All the beautiful things that give us joy in spite of all the gloom and sadness are like an immortal drink poured on us by the Almighty or God from the edge of the heaven. So that's all for now. I think this was the shortest explanation. Watch my next video for the rhyme scheme and poetic devices of this poem. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification as soon as I post my next video. Happy learning! Bye!